This is just a quick video to show you what we are trying to do today. First of all, you need to open up the Seesaw app and then add a new piece of work and choose photo. Now we're going to take a photograph of one of your favourite books. Now it could be a picture of the front cover or it could be a picture of a page inside. It's up to you to choose what you want to do. Now I've put my book on the floor. I think that's the best way to line it up. I don't want to take a picture like this. You want to take your picture directly on top and wait till it's focusing and then press the green button to take the picture. Right, so I'm kind of happy with that one. And I'm going to describe what I like about this book. Now, I'm not going to add any words. I'm going to add add a voice recording. So I need to press the microphone and I'm going to complete the sentence. I like this book because, or I like the graveyard book because, and then tell you why I like it. I like the graveyard book because the way the author describes the characters and describes the events in the story make it really easy for me to picture what's going on in my head. And then when I'm finished, I just press the green tick. So I've now got a bit of a voice recording on top of my photo. What I also want to do is add one emoji to describe how I feel when I read this book. So to do that, I need to go into T for text, choose the emoji keyboard and look for an emoji that I think is suitable. I'm going to choose this one here because this book really makes me think about the various scenes. I want to make the emoji a bit bigger. And I want to remove the box around my emoji. So I press on the three dots, choose style, and then choose the first AA, which is that one. Right, get rid of keyboard. So I've taken a picture, I've added a short description of the book and why I like it, and then I've added an emoji. So that's it. I'm going to press the green tick, choose my name, green tick again, and that's now uploaded it to my teacher's Seesaw account. So hopefully we can have a look at this one on the board a bit later. Now it's your turn.